Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today we have the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, or in India it's called the Redmi Note 5. The Redmi 5 Plus is an obvious upgrade compared to Redmi Note 4. The design is pretty much similar and reused from the Note 3. It does look very premium and clean. The metal build does give off premium feel, and it is very slippery and smudgy if you have a black variant. Xiaomi didn't go for a complete redesign because of the widescreen 80:9 display. The capacitive keys are now gone for good. The back of the Redmi 5 Plus will look pretty similar to the Note 4 and Note 3. If weren't for the differences in size, the Note 4 and 5 Plus would be impossible to tell apart. The Redmi 5 Plus comes in 3 colors: black, gold, and blue. The volume up and down are on the right, as well as the power button. The power button is really easy to access, but the volume up and down, you need to readjust your hand to access it. The bottom of the Redmi 5 Plus is a standard micro USB 2.0, loudspeaker grill and microphone. I was expecting the device comes in USB Type-C, it would be better. Battery life of the Redmi 5 Plus, you're definitely getting a full day use. Even for gaming, on the other hand, it will still last you a day thanks to the 4000 mAh power battery. For normal day-to-day use, it will last more than a day, or two depending on usage. The top of the device has a standard audio jack and an IR blaster. And on the left side is a SIM tray. And the SIM tray here is a hybrid SIM tray, which you have an option of 2 SIM card or 1 SIM card and 1 microSD card. Now when you pick up your new Redmi 5 Plus, in the box you'll get a 5V 2A USB charger. Sadly, there's no fast charging. The microSD cable, a case, and a SIM ejector. I was pretty surprised they provided a case but not earphones. But it's actually not a bad touch. Display of the Redmi 5 Plus features a 6-inch with 1080x2160 resolution with an 18:9 full screen display. The display of the phone looks amazing and very immersive. The split screen option never would look so much better and comfortable in the screen and display. There's a notification LED on the top next to the front-facing camera, which has only one color, which is only white. Now, packed inside the Redmi 5 Plus is a Snapdragon 625, 3GB of RAM, or you can bump it all the way up to 4GB of RAM, and there's a microSD card expansion up to 128GB. And the base of the Redmi 5 Plus comes in 32GB or 64GB. The loudspeaker grill at the bottom sounds clean and with no distortion. The Redmi 5 Plus comes with a 12MP sensor with an f-stop of 2.2. The image quality is very good, photos are sharp and well detailed, and noise are kept reasonably low considering its f2.2 aperture. We like to see more contrast in the photo as the image is a bit flat. Colors are warm on the other side, not super accurate but not unpleasant either. But HDR mode does come in very handy for improving the image. We also tested out the 5MP front-facing shooter. The image comes out with enough details, though it's a bit noisy, but high contrast and pleasant color. The dynamic range is about average. With the Redmi 5 Plus, you have a choices of video mode: 4K, 1080p with 30 frames per second, or 720p with 120 frames per second.
Hey guys, this is actually a 4K video and it's pretty sunny here. Actually, it's not really sunny, it's really hot. And I'm gonna test the focus. It's kind of slow, but I can see it's working. Maybe that's the word. Let's go for. It's not that bad. Okay, and I'm gonna jump to front facing now. And this is now the front facing camera. I'm actually at the park here. Pretty much it. It seems pretty decent, but it's just too sunny to see the screen. God. And for the earlier video, it's actually recorded in 4K. And tell me what you guys think. And drop me a comment below. Bye!
Aside from that, thank you guys very much for watching, and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't. And do hit the notification bell as well. You'll get notified every single time I upload. This is Mark here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!